Oh, cute, eh?
Oh,
very nice.
Par neis.
Par neis, yeah.
Par neis, right, yeah. I've got more than a par neis of prepositions for you today, Matt.
Prepositions?
Prepositions, arddodiaid in our nodyn Nia today.
Oh, nodyn Nia.
Okay, so these are lots of little words that place things, iawn, mewn brawddeg in a sentence, okay? So I'm going to group them all together and show you what happens in a sentence.
That sounds really confusing.
Sounds really exciting. Dyma nhw, ein arddodiaid, right? You know, you say very often, it's those little words, y geiriau bach that throw me, sy'n tablu fi. Well, dyma lot o'r geiriau bach, iawn?
Yeah.
So, we've got am a ratgan.
Am a ratgan.
Dros drwy heb dan.
Dros drwy heb dan.
Hyd I o wrth tan.
Hyd I o wrth tan.
Yeah. Now, everybody has a slightly different way of learning them. Yn yr ysgol, you learn them in an order, and that's the only order you can ever remember them, iawn? Felly, Ysgol y Creuddyn, diolch yn fawr, Mrs Beryl Jones. So, this is how we're going to remember them, iawn, Matt? Ti'n barod I wiglo?
Shiglo wiglo, fi'n barod.
Shiglo wiglo. Okay, so we're going to go. Am a ratgan dros drwy heb dan hyd I o wrth tan. Okay, without looking, iawn? We're doing line by line. Na, da ni'n mynd I helpu bawb adre.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So now ni'n neud e gynta. Na I neud e gynta, I'll do it first.
That's good.
And then ti a pawb adre, okay?
You with me?
Iawn, 1, 2, 3. Am a ratgan.
Am a ratgan.
Dros drwy heb dan.
Dros drwy heb dan.
Hyd I o wrth tan.
Hyd I o wrth tan.
You driving a lorry?
I am. What are you doing? Milking a cow? I have no idea.
Iawn, eto, unwaith. Am a ratgan.
Am a ratgan.
Dros drwy heb dan.
Dros drwy heb dan.
Hyd I o wrth tan.
Hyd I o wrth tan.
Perffaith.
Those
are all the prepositions you need. So, y cwbl ti angen gofio ydy bod rhain yn achosi, they cause treiglad meddal, soft mutation.
Okay.
Yeah?
Give us some examples.
Okay, to Caerphilly.
I Gaerffili.
Da iawn. From Caerphilly.
O Gaerffili.
Da iawn. I went to a party without a bottle of wine.
I went. Es I. Es I.
To a party.
Es I. Mynd.
No, you don't need mynd because es I is the past of mynd, so we're okay.
Es I.
To a party.
I. Party.
Yeah, mutation. Ar ôl I.
I party. What was it a bit?
Without.
Heb.
A bottle of wine.
Heb. Bottle. O gwyn.
O wyn.
O wyn. O wyn.
O wyn. Oh, there were 3 in there.
There was 3 in one.
Es I.
Es I.
I barti.
Barti.
Heb. Botel. O wyn.
We did it. That's all right.
3 mewn un.
Thanks.
And you see, you use it without realising very often.
Okay, yeah.
But if you want to go back a step and check it, ooh, do I need to do a treiglad meddal?
Like we did last week.
Yes.
Look into it with a bit more of a magnifying glass.
Darlun bach.
Get inside it.
Felly, am a ratgan dros drwy heb dan hyd I o wrth tan. Cofiwch o. Nodyn Nia wedi gorffen.
See, even though that was probably the most difficult nodyn Nia ever, I'd still rather you than heaven. Yeah. Absolutely.
Diolch yn
100%.
fawr, I think.
Dim probs.
Dwi'n meddwl bod yr hyn hefyn yn poeni am Liz yn mynd I America.